Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix 9 Kings game crashing and startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next is to add launch arguments. So for that, go to Epic Games. After that, go to the library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now click on the three dot icon, click on manage, go below. Here you can see launch option, enable it and have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue still continues, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify game files. For that, go to Epic Games, under library section, select your game, click on three dot icon, click on manage and here you can see verify files below. Beside it, verify option is available. Click on it and wait for some time unless the files are verified, and after that try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if this doesn't resolve the problem, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to file explorer, go to the folder. Here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If you cannot resolve the issue, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it is listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that click on OK and finally launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to stop it and after that try to launch the game and then check if it's working. Next is to close background task. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under processes tab, you are suggested to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it. After selecting it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program installed on your system, then you can come across various issues while playing the game. So it's suggested to disable the antivirus program and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download and once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on repair, wait for some time and after you get setup successful message over here, close this, restart your PC and after your PC restarts, now log into the game and check. But if the issue continues again and again, then it's suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Epic Games, under library section, select your game, click on the three dot icon and click on uninstall option and finally click on uninstall. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Epic Games Store, search for the game and finally click install the game once again and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix 9 Kings game crashing, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.